Ready to turn your AI magic into real revenue? This video will guide you step by step on how to seamlessly integrate payment processing within Vapi Ai. First, log into your Vapi Ai dashboard and locate the Integrations or Settings section. This is where you'll connect your payment provider. Next, select your preferred payment gateway, such as Stripe or PayPal. Vapi Ai supports a range of popular options. You'll need to provide your payment gateway account details, typically including API keys. Make sure you retrieve these keys from your payment provider's dashboard. Following their specific instructions, this securely authorizes Vapi Ai to handle payments. Now, after selecting your gateway, copy and paste your API keys into the appropriate fields, like your API keys, and save your settings. Great job! Now, integrate payment options into your AI-driven services, such as when purchasing reports, accessing premium features, or based on transactions performed by your service. Test your integration by making a small transaction to ensure everything functions correctly. Watch for confirmation messages and check your payment gateway account to confirm the funds have been received. Lastly, review your payment data within Vapi Ai's reporting and analytics dashboard. This provides valuable insights into your transaction data. With your AI applications now monetized, your business is ready for the next level.